Dear student, welcome to my class. In today's class, I am Anwar, lecturer in English, Canis Prathama Girls School and College, Maniganj. Dear student, look at the picture and discuss what about the pictures. Dear student, these pictures are about our nature and environment. You look very clearly, and if you look spontaneously, then you will see, and finally you will clear that these pictures are about our nature and environment. So, lesson declaration. Today's lesson is on nature and environment, the grid of the roaring rivers. Learning outcome. Dear student, after completing the lesson, student will be able to compare and summarize text, to ask and answer question, to say the meaning of keywords, to take part in debates on given topics. Okay, let's watch a video.
সালাম ভাই, সালাম কে বান্ধা হয়েছে? বান্ধা হয়েছে, বন্ধ করে কিছু থাকবে না, তার দুই তারের উপর আছে, অসুবিধা নাই।
Dear student, now discuss what should we do to protect our lives and properties from the river erosion, then write it within 3 or 4 sentences. Model reading. Dear student, listen the text attentively. Then read the text individually and answer the question that have given section B and C. Dear student, look at the above picture and discuss uh, and write down about the previous life of Meherja. Okay, you are clear about the life of Meherja. Keyword. Dear student, look at the below word. Try to say the meaning of the word and make sentence with them. Erosion. What do you mean by erosion? Look at the picture and try to understand the erosion. Meaning of the word erosion. What do you mean by erosion? Please make a sentence with the erosion. That means Meherjan lost all her property due to river erosion. Okay, dear student, look. Erosion means the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, or other natural agents. Embankment. What do you mean by embankment? Sentence with the embankment. Meherjan lives in Salam on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Embankment means a wall of a stone or earth made to keep water back. Okay, clear. Whisper. What do you mean by whisper? Whisper means to speak very quickly to somebody so that other people cannot hear what one is saying. Sentence. The boy whispered me, don't believe a selfish friend. Roar. What do you mean by roar? Look at the picture and try to understand the meaning of the word roar. Sentence. The tiger is roaring for hungry. Okay, dear student. Roar means to make a loud, deep, hard sound of tiger, river or any animals. Salam. What do you mean by salam? Meherjan lives in Salam on the Shirazgan town protection embankment. Okay, you can understand very clearly that slum means a overcrowded urban area inhabited by very poor people. Unsteady, what do you mean by unsteady? The flame of this candle is unsteady. So, what is the meaning of the word unsteady? Unsteady means a liable to fall or shake. Demolish. What do you mean by demolish? The greedy Jamuna has demolished Meherjan's all happiness. Okay, dear student, what do you mean by demolish? Demolish means to pull or knock down something. Individual or dear student, complete the summary of Meherjan life with the word or phrase from the box below. Dear student, you should use for fill in the blank. Use the words victims, affect, close to, slum dweller, homeless, threat, example, due to shortage of food, 1 lakh. Okay, now try to fill in the blank. Meherjan is a typical dash. Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in a slum. She lost her shelter and properties dash properties due to the erosion of river Jamuna. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and dash poverty and shortage of food. Now she is only a dash. Now she is only a slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the dash, become the victims of river erosion. River erosion is still posing dash threat, still posing threat to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living dash, living close to rivers are most likely victim of the river erosion. Each year about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Meherjan life is just one dash, just one example of how climate change dash, how climate change affects the lives of a thousand of people. Okay, dear student, clear? Evaluation, choose the best answer. What does adapt means? Number A, adjust, B, unchanged, C, chaos, D, dam. Try to, what is the right answer? Choose the best answer, please. Question number 2, embankment represent damp, river, erosion, quiver. Question number 3, the river Jamuna has consumed the cultivable land, houses, bamboo baths of Meherjan. All of the above answer. Okay, dear student, try to say the right answer or best answer of the question. Okay, now see the answer. Solution, question A to B, C 3. Okay. Homework. Dear student, you will write 10 sentences about merit and demerits of flood. Okay, dear student, thank you again in the next class.